What's up, guys? Miguel here from Torrance Tech. Today we have something pretty exciting, especially if you ever wanted to dabble in crypto mining, but didn't want to spend a fortune. So Jingle Mining reached out to me and sent me this, the Jingle Miner Bitcoin Solo Lottery Miner. This thing comes in around 40 bucks. So normally to mine Bitcoin, you need massive, expensive ASIC miners that cost like thousands of dollars and suck up a ton of electricity. This little guy, it runs straight on your desktop and uses about a single watt of power. Now, think of this as a really cool novelty gadget for your desk. It tracks Bitcoin prices, it tells you exactly what the market is doing, but it also is a real miner running in the background, and it acts like a permanent never-ending lottery ticket. Now, the odds of actually hitting a full Bitcoin is crazy slim, like winning probably the Mega Millions, but that's still a slim chance. And this is absolutely perfect for people who want to get into bit mining, but don't want to spend a fortune. Let's flip this to the top-down view, get this thing out of the box, check out the specs, and see exactly what we're working with here. All right, let's do it. Let's flip over. All right, so let's take a look around the box. We have Jingle Miner, Bitcoin Solo Lottery Miner. I mean, this is a pretty straightforward, uneventful box. So let's just open it up and see what's going on here. All right. We have a kind of how-to. Gives you specifications. Pretty cool. And the tutorial on the back. All right. Looks like the device, USB, and that's it. I mean, this box looks like it's housing like a gun or something in here. All right, let's put this aside. Let's see, we got a USB-A to USB-C cable, and then we have the actual device here. All right, not much to it. We have a couple of buttons here in the back. USB-C, and that's it. I mean, this thing is pretty just simplistic. All right, let's plug this in and see what actually. So I'm gonna actually plug it into external power. Now I'm hoping that we don't have to use a low power USB-C, but we're gonna test it out. Oh, look at that. All right. Use this Wi-Fi to set up. All right. So I'm taking it. I'm going to use my phone to set this up. All right. Let's configure Wi-Fi. We're going to put it on the torrent network over here. I'm going to blur out my password. Now here's the thing, you could add which pool you want this to join to, the port, your Bitcoin address. So I believe we want to change that. We don't want that. So this is where the Bitcoin is going to be sending Bitcoins to. And if you're part of a pool URL, you want to change this too. All right, so there is a little bit of setup that you kind of have to do to understand what this needs to be done. Very kind of interesting. Okay, yeah, so the biggest thing right here is your Bitcoin address from your wallet. So you need to have this kind of set up before you do this. So I would probably recommend, like, you can set up an account with Coinbase and they'll give you a Bitcoin address where you could put it in, and then this way it would go to your wallet if you do make anything. So out of the most important things here, I would definitely change, and then you would change this to that address. And then the pool you could keep the same. Want to save it. All right. All right, now I think if you take the IP address of this, oh, there you go. It connects right to the miner. Oh, that's cool. You could pick which crypto you want to see. So at the top, there's Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then whatever else you want to see down here. Well, there's a ton of them. This thing is pretty cool, man. Like, if you want to get into like Bitcoin mining for the very first time and you just kind of, want to dabble in it and take a look, I mean, this is a pretty neat thing to have. It feels a little, I gotta admit, it feels a little janky. It feels like this was printed off a 3D printer, which it probably was. I almost wonder if it could be taken apart. However, this is kind of cool just to keep on your desk like this, and it tells you what's going on. So, I mean, first impression, it is very small, and it's definitely made to sit on a desk, shelf, or next to your computer. I mean, it has a built-in screen on the front, and the whole point of the screen is to show you the information while the device is running. It can show you things like crypto prices, mining statuses, hash rates, device temperature, runtime, and kind of other mining information. So even if you're brand new to mining, this gives you like a visual way to see what's the device doing. Now, if you look around the device, we do have the USB-C power port down here, and on the back there are physical buttons. These are used for switching screens or resetting the config on the device. I mean, the stand is built in, so it sits upright by itself. And I mean, it makes sense because this isn't something that you would want to hide under a desk. It's meant to be visible, almost like a little crypto monitor. I mean, build-wise, it feels lightweight, which is expected for something this small. The design is pretty simple, and it looks more like a desktop display than what most people imagine when they hear Bitcoin miner. I mean, normal Bitcoin miners are usually big metal boxes with loud fans and a lot of heat. I mean, obviously this is completely different, and this is like a tiny desktop miner and a display. So let's go over some basic specs as, English as possible. So this uses the SHA-256D algorithm. That basically means it's designed for Bitcoin style mining. The listed hash rate is 520 kilo hashes per second. The hash rate means how many guesses the miner can make every second. So 520 kilo hashes per second means around 520,000 guesses per second. That sounds like a lot, but for Bitcoin mining, it's actually really small. Like serious Bitcoin miners are usually measured in terahashes per second, which means trillions of guesses per second. So again, this is not trying to compete with full-size ASIC miner machines. This is more of a learning device, a hobby miner, and a small crypto display. I mean, power consumption is listed at 1 watt, which means it uses very little electricity. I mean, for comparison, that's less power than a lot of basic household electronics. It connects using Wi-Fi, so you don't need to plug it into any Ethernet cable, and it's powered by USB-C, which makes it easier to power from common USB chargers or adapters. It's also listed as very quiet. This shouldn't sound like anything or even a mining rig. I mean, first impression so far, this is really simple, beginner friendly from a hardware standpoint. There's not much to assemble. There's no fans. There's no complicated wiring. You basically have the device, the power cable, and setup, and that's it. So at this point, the main thing to understand is that this is a small Bitcoin mining monitor. It's not a serious income miner. It's more for somebody who wants to learn how mining works, see the status on the screen, and have a small crypto device running on their desk. I mean, it's literally taking up 0.9 of a watt, 0.8. So it's even almost less than a watt. Now you're able to also come over here and register the miner for remote mining. So let's give this a try. Okay, so after you sign up for the account on Jingle Miners, you want to come over here to My Miners, and you want to add the miner. Let's come over here to the website. Let's go to My Miners. We'll reload this for a second, and here we have it in more detail. Right, so we have last updated. Let's click on details here, and it gives you all the information about it. It's pretty nifty. Now you could use this. Now this is what the cool part is. This is cool to monitor it. So if you ever want, if you're somewhere at work and you want to log into jingleminer.com and you want to see what your miner is doing, if it's connected, check it out. This is a pretty cool remote tool to understand, and you could add a bunch of miners to here. Now, here we're going to see if there's actually a update to the miner. We're going to connect it directly to my computer. And once it's connected and drawing in, which it's doing right now, so we're just going to hit connect. All right, so we're going to select the one we want. And it looks like this is the latest version, 0.2. So we're just going to start flashing. And we're going to update our miner. So it's pretty straightforward. It's plugged in right now. Obviously, don't unplug it while it's, updating at 65%. I always suggest updating any type of electronic that you get, but it's pretty straightforward. 94%. All right, it's restarting, and that's it. We're up to date. Go back to my miners here, see if we could actually see it. Okay, there we go. We just had to restart it. After restarting it, we're back online. So the final thoughts on the Jingle Miner Bitcoin Solo Lottery Monitor. We really have to do something about this name. So I think this is pretty cool, but I think you have to understand what you're buying before you buy it. It's not something I would buy expecting to make money every day. That's not really the point of this thing. This is more of a novelty device, a learning tool, a small crypto gadget that you keep on your desk. So if you're into electronics, crypto, Bitcoin, or just like having interesting things like tech setup, this is cool to have. It gives you something visually to look at. You can see the hash rate, the mining statistics, Bitcoin price information, and what the device is doing in real time. And yes, technically there is a tiny chance you could find a Bitcoin block reward, but that chance is extremely small, so don't buy this thinking that you're about to start printing money out of Bitcoin on your desk. Better way to kind of look at it is that this thing is like a lottery ticket that just keeps refreshing itself in the background. I mean, for me, the most useful part of this device is that it teaches you the basic pieces of crypto mining. You have a miner, you have a wallet address, which is where any possible reward could go to. You have the mining pool or the server settings, and you have a dashboard where you could check all the performance, hash rates, and device stats. That is the same general idea you deal with when you set up a larger ASIC miner. Obviously, the device is tiny compared to serious miners, but the setup process gives you a good introduction on how mining actually works. I mean, the device itself is pretty straightforward. You set it up, you plug it in, you connect it, and add it to your Wi-Fi and configure the mining information. Now, the part that might confuse a little bit of the beginners is the wallet side. And for example, if you use something like Coinbase or other crypto platform, you need to make sure you're using the correct Bitcoin wallet. For example, if you're using something like Coinbase or another crypto platform, you need to make sure that you're using the correct Bitcoin wallet address. I mean, that matters because if the device does hit something, you want the reward to go to the right place. The miner itself is simple. Understanding wallets, addresses, and mining settings might take a little bit more learning if you're brand new, but honestly, that's also part of why I think this is a good beginner device. It forces you to learn basics without spending thousands of dollars for a full mining setup. Now, there's a couple of things I would change. I wish there were different case options. The yellow is fine, but I would love to see colors, maybe a cleaner looking case option. Since this is meant to sit on my desk, I want it to kind of look better. I also think that beginners might need a clearer guidance around the wallet setup. So the device itself is not bad, but the crypto side can still be a little confusing if you've never done it before. Overall, I like it for what it is. It's a small, low-powered, beginner-friendly mining gadget. It's not some serious income miner. It's not something I would tell somebody to buy if their only goal was profit. But if you're curious about Bitcoin mining and you want to learn the process or just cool little crypto display running on your desk, this is a fun entry point. And again, for around $40, this can be a good gift for somebody who is into crypto, electronics, or just mining. As always, I'll leave links down below if you want to check it out. There also may be a coupon code down there if you want to save a little bit. And that's it for this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and take care, guys.